Hello, my name's Steven Camden. I'm a writer from Birmingham and I write novels, poems, stage plays, TV scripts, film screenplays. I've been writing for a long time, and what I'm going to do today, which is kind of fun, is a simple writing exercise that I like to use when I'm trying to generate ideas for a new poem or a new story. Right? See, my brain is quite messy. So I have to get my ideas out before it starts overthinking things. Otherwise, I never think anything's good enough and I throw it all in the bin. Right? So the thing about when I write is I want what I write to feel real and alive, like I'm living it as I'm writing it. That way, whoever reads it or sees it or hears it will hopefully feel like they're in it and they're living it too and feel connected. And that way it will matter. That's what I like to do. You know? Maybe you write already, and this will be like a different kind of exercise to try to kind of like, you know, throw something into the way that you usually write. Or maybe you don't write that much. Maybe, I mean, I didn't at school. Maybe like me, you don't write at all. Maybe you're not even interested in writing. But what this will be, maybe this will be like an example of a different way to do it that will show you that there's more than one way to get to a story or get to a poem. And maybe you'll like it. Either way, man, all good. No pressure, right? It can't be wrong. All it can be is interesting or not. So we're going to try and make it interesting for ourselves. Yeah? By making our own choices. That cool? I'm going to go through it with you bit by bit. It's a really simple bullet point thing, and then we're going to generate some ideas and then we're going to use them. So it can't be wrong, but I just want you to put yourself in it, use your imagination and make your own choices. Okay? You can press pause as we go, as I set each little task, and we'll build it together. Cool? I'll let you know when you can press pause. Right? Okay, let's do it. Shut up, Stephen. All right, I'm going. First thing, I need you to choose a place. Right? What place? Algeria, Birmingham. No. I need you to choose a place that you know well enough that you can picture it when you close your eyes. Zoom in. Right? Don't just say home or the park. Tell me what room you're in, or what part of the park, what bench you're sitting on. Tell me what tree you're up, right? Be specific. Okay? I'm going to go with, bullet point 1, I'm going to go with my bedroom. Easy. I can picture that when I close my eyes. So I'm just going to write, bullet point, I'm going to write bedroom. Right? So I want you to press pause, choose a place that you can picture well enough to see it when you close your eyes. Yeah? Write it down next to your bullet point, then come back. Go. Cool. Back? Right. So now you should have a bullet point and a place, a specific place. Remember? Somewhere we can zoom in. Right? Okay. Bullet point 2. You've got to choose a time. Now I want you to choose a time that you think could potentially be interesting. What could it be? Any time at all. Can't be wrong. You can be as specific as you like. Maybe you want to say midday. Maybe you want to say 4:15 p.m. It's up to you, right? But what could be interesting, right? I'm going to go with 2 in the morning, right? 2 a.m. So now I've got a bullet point that says bedroom and a bullet point that says 2 a.m. Right? So press pause, choose a time, a specific time, write it down and come back. Go. Back? Right. Cool. Bullet point number 3. This is where we start to get interesting, right? Now we've got a place and we've got a time. I've got bedroom, 2 a.m. You might have Nan's garden, sunrise. Whatever you've got is fine, right? But what matters now is being able to put yourself at that place at that time. Right, bedroom 2 a.m. because bullet point 3, we have to make a note of the source of light. Right, the source of light that fits not only that place but at that specific time. I've got bedroom 2 a.m. so I can't say for my source of light the sun rising over the trees, right? Not at 2 in the morning in my bedroom. Unless we're in some crazy fantasy world, but we'll keep it real for now, right? Okay, so bedroom, 2 a.m. What's the source of light? Put yourself there in your mind's eye. Street light from outside. That's what fits my time and my place. So choose a source of light that fits your place and time. Put yourself there. Yeah? Press pause. Write it down next to your third bullet point. Go. Cool? Right, look. So now you've got a place, time, and a source of light. See, now we're laughing. We're already building it. Right, fourth bullet point. Don't think too much, right? Fourth bullet point. Bedroom, 2 a.m., street light from outside. Your fourth bullet point, put yourself in the place at that time, and you need a sound, right? Nowhere silent. You might have to travel further to hear your sound if there's nothing in the room making a sound. Maybe you've got to go through a wall or down the street, or right. Just put yourself there. Tune in to one sound. Bedroom, 2 a.m. Street light coming through the windows. TV through the floorboards. I can hear the TV coming up from downstairs. That fits my time and place. What's yours? Right? Maybe it's a dog 2 streets away. Maybe it's someone snoring there. Maybe it's the bubbling kettle. Well, it can't be wrong, but make it fit your place and time. Okay? Press pause. Put yourself there. Zoom in on one sound. Note it down. Then come back. Go. Cool? Right, we're on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth bullet point. Right? It's going to be something that we can see. A visual detail. But here's what's important. Right? The visual detail we choose will be dependent on our line of sight. Our eye level, eye line. Right? So you have to put yourself in that place and decide how you are in that space. I'll tell you what I mean. Look, I've gone bedroom, 2 in the morning. I'm in my bedroom right now. Am I lying down on my bed? If I'm lying down on my bed, my eye line will be up, right? Or will be different, or on the side. If I'm standing by the window, my eye line is different there. So the things I will notice will be different. Where am I in my bedroom? Where are you in your space? Bedroom, 2 a.m., street light from outside, TV through the floor. I'm going to say I'm sitting on the corner of my bed, right? So I'm sitting on the corner of my bed. Where are my eyes? My eyes are down. Okay, my eyes are down. What can I see? Choose where your eyes will be in your space. Put yourself there, and what's one detail you can see? What can I see? I can see crumpled jeans on the floor. I'm a messy person, right? Crumpled jeans on the floor, right? That fits my eye line. So put yourself in the space. Think about how you are physically, where your eye line will be, and choose one thing you can see in that space that fits. Press pause, note it down, come back. Go. Yeah? Right, we're on fire now. Look what we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bullet point details. At this point, what I need you to do, right, is to say them out loud. But I'm not there with you, right? And nobody else might be. Maybe you're by yourself, maybe there's other people there, but this is important. You have to say it out loud. There's something about saying these things out loud which bring them to life. We have created a scene with just 5 simple bullet points. Check it. Bedroom, 2 a.m., street light from outside, TV through the floorboards, crumpled jeans on the floor. Yo, that's a mood. The light, the time, the detail I've chosen, the sound, all of it feels like a film. We've made something alive in just 5 bullet points. Like, that's how simple it was to bring something, to live it, to be in it. So whatever you've got now, say it out loud and feel what that mood is. Feel what you've created, because you've created something, right? Out of nothing. 10 minutes ago, that didn't exist. Awesome. So say it out loud. And what we're going to do is, as you say them out loud, putting yourself there, we're hoping that our 6th bullet point, our final bullet point for now is a thought that fits that place and that time. Might take a little bit longer, right, to put yourself there or land on one, but say each of your bullet points through and wait for a thought to land. I'll try it now. Look, bedroom, 2 a.m, street light from outside, TV through the floorboards, crumpled jeans on the floor. Why am I up at 2 a.m? Somebody else is up, right? So, because I can hear TV through the floorboards, so someone else is obviously up. Crumpled jeans on the floor. There's a kind of mood, there's a weight in this, there's a mood. I'm not that happy. What am I thinking? What's the thought that fits? Bedroom, 2 a.m, street light from outside, TV through the floorboards, crumpled jeans on the floor. I'm leaving. That's my thought that fits. Right, what's the thought that fits yours? Think of the mood. You might not even realise the mood that you've built, but if you say it out loud, it will start to become clear. Bedroom, 2 a.m, street light from outside, TV through the floorboards, crumpled jeans on the floor. Yeah, I'm leaving. Bam. Press pause. Say your bullet points out loud. Feel the mood. Put yourself there. Think about your eye line, the sound, the light. What's the thought that fits? Make a note of your thought and come back. Go. Cool? Check it out, man. I don't know if you can see this because it's a reflection, the brightness, right? Look, there's mine. 6 bullet points. Look at what we did. 10 minutes to create something, right, which is full of life. We've got a scene which has emotion, which has mood, which has potential, which has possible relationships. We have now got all the ingredients to do whatever we want, right? And this is where it's up to you. My mind at the minute is just running with stories. So here's me with somebody sitting on the edge of their bed at 2 a.m, thinking that they're going to leave. What are they leaving? The mood, the weight. The spark of a story now is showing itself to me. I could now jump to the living room downstairs and do exactly the same thing, these bullet points, with whoever's on the sofa, watching Come Dine With Me repeats at 2 a.m. Then I've got another character, which could then start a story, right? I might think that my line, the last line that I wrote, the last bullet point, my thought, I'm leaving, that could be the start for an internal monologue, something quite poetic. I'm leaving. I've had enough of this place, and just run with that. Maybe that's what I use. Maybe I like the thing in itself. There's something about this capturing a mood that is almost a poem already. 2 a.m, bedroom, street light from outside. Am I the kind of person who likes to play with descriptive language? Could I have orange glow on the edge of my PS4? Could I start thinking more poetic and more about textures? Crumpled jeans on the floor could become, ripples, could become the sand dunes. Crumpled jeans and ripples in my crumpled jeans like sand dunes in the moonlight. Are you that kind of person? Do you like the idea of going poetic with it or more descriptive? Completely up to you. Do you like it blunt? It doesn't matter. What matters is that it feels alive and you find it interesting. So whatever you generate, whoever takes it in, reading it, listening to it or seeing it, will feel that interest and feel that charge and respond to it. Right? Like I said, it can't be wrong. But look what you've got there. 6 bullet points. The beginning of a poem, a possible story, a monologue, a film script. It could be absolutely anything. Right? Ideas aren't just about filling up the blank page with things that are perfect. It's about living something, putting it down and letting it live. Yeah? I'm going to stop rambling now. I'm going to have a cup of tea, think about this idea because there's something in this. I hope that's been interesting. I hope it's possibly been useful or just fun. Either way, whatever you're doing, remember, keep it interesting to you, have fun with it, and you can't go wrong. Thanks a lot.